These are the final steps on our fireplace upgrade. In the previous video, I put up those sheets of plywood, and for this step I painted them white. Similar to the other tiles, by painting the background a similar type color, it'll make those seams show a lot less. So I picked up Shiplap material from Lowe's. It only took about 3 packages, so for a small area that works out well. For a big wall, you wouldn't want to go that route. It would get expensive really quickly. I was able to chop them with my saw, put them up with construction adhesive, and then use my nail gun to secure them. This worked really well and went really quickly, and I really like this look. We wanted kind of the floor to ceiling effect of the fireplace, but we are planning to put the TV back up there. I know there's haters on that. We love it. So we didn't want to have just the stone go all the way to the top. Next I painted it with a matte white. We were going to be putting Hughes lights around the TV, so we wanted a nice white backdrop for those lights to work well, and a matte color ensures that they're not too reflective. A couple coats of this and it was ready to go, and I'm super happy with the end result.